Here's something a little different. It's a little engine show, but it's a private engine show, and it's put on by our buddy Jeff, and he does a really nice job. Here's Mike's setup and my setup. There's our domestic back there, and forgot what that. Oh yeah, forgot what that was. But there's our engine. Oh, that's a brown wall. That's what that is. Funny how you forget what you got. Mike's generator and Mike's Panzer. He gets a real good turnout here. A real nice setup. So he gets Wawa to cater it, and all kinds of food. Let's see what we got here. Model A. Small John Deere's. Funny, a lot of rare engines here because it's private. These guys bring their real private stuff that they usually don't bring to regular shows. That's some kind of Cushman. It's got a real strange coil on there. Yeah, Cushman Cub. Look at this setup here with a crane. Another engine back here. It's really odd. What's up, Dan?
Hey, you've seen this thing before.
I did. Did you ever figure out what it is or where it came from? Or
No.
No. Oh, you think it's homemade, huh?
Well, I don't know for sure.
It's the wackiest thing I've ever seen. Excuse me. Let me get over here this way.
Yep.
Dan the Pickle Man. Look.
Yep. Brought some pickles today.
Pretty cool. Danny Oyster Man. I bought my first engine off of that guy, Dan. Many years ago. Alright, let's take a quick walk through here. Our buddy Dollar Bill, this is his trailer. Got a bunch of generators on here. Wow, it's in good shape. Old Gibson tractor. This stuff here is the guy running the show. This is all his private stuff back here. He took the tarps off it just for the show. Look at the size of these engines here. Wow. He's got a whole lineup of tillers, and back here he's got little lawnmowers, Cub Cadets, and Sears Suburbans. There he is right there. He's the man that runs the show, Jeff. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, you got engines and tractors and antique cars. There's another oddball. Look at the hopper on that. Yeah, some of this stuff is so odd and strange and rare. I don't have a clue what it is. take a walk back here. (1924) Farmall. Alright, this here, I don't know what year this is. It's a High Wheel International. This is our buddy Alan's. He takes us to all shows and drives people around and lets people drive it and everything. It's pretty cool. Here's where we had all the food, the catered food. Little scooters, electric bikes. A Volkswagen. Old Volkswagen looks like about 1966. Alright. Somebody's going around, so I gotta turn my camera away. There we go. Alright. So this is a 1966 Volkswagen with a roof rack. That's an original roof rack. But my dad had a 62 and it had the same identical roof rack way back in the day. Here's a 1937 Buick. Beautiful. Nice interior and everything. Here's another one of our friends, Mike. Alright. Little show, but really nice. Alright. I think that's about it. Well, if you watch this, if you see this, Jeff, thanks for putting this show on and feeding us. What a great job. Look at even rents a porta potty. Alright. There's a buddy dollar bill. There you go. There's a buddy Mike. Mike's running for mayor. Alright. What you guys say? Enough of this? Alright. There's something really cool over here. Let's see if I get a shot of it. A couple of these ladies are standing in the way, but this guy sitting down actually made this. You made that, right?
Yeah.
How long did it take?
Oh yeah, probably about half a year.
6 months. Man, that was
just worked out.
Hey, it was $100.
yeah. I know how that goes. You know, sometimes you feel like working on it, sometimes you don't.
And then that was last May.
Very cool. Hey, did you ever shoot it off?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If you got an email address you want to share, I'll send you. I got some videos on it on YouTube.
Oh yeah? What's your name on YouTube?
Farmer123.
I think you're right.
Farmer123?
Farmer123.
Okay.
If you look under like model cabinet, something like
Well, we've
that,
also got bird.
Farmer123.
Okay. Alright. He says he's on YouTube and it's Farmer123. Pretty cool. link in the channel to that cannon there. That's pretty cool. That's the guy there that built it. It says his channel is Farmer123. So I'll leave a link, and you guys go over there and check him out. Let him know Road King sent you. All right, I'm going to shut you down again. Here's our buddy Dan. He's got this engine here, and we don't know what it is, or if it's a real engine or homemade. We sort of think it's homemade. Look at the way it starts. Yeah, if anybody knows anything about it, recognize it, let us know. Whatever one's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, I was going to ask what the handle on the back is for. That's for starting it. That's just the way to keep it. Look at that. Even the cart. Somebody took a lot of time with that cart. Look at the governor balls. Yeah, somebody put a lot of time into that. That's a keeper, huh, Dan?
Yep.
Yeah, I don't blame you. And it's the gas tank?
Yep.
Very cool. We're going to put you on camera, Dan. Look at it, look at it.
You might break that animal.
There we go. There's our buddy Eddie. All right, very cool, Dan. Very cool.
Thank you.